Hello everybody, Keith here again. Today it's going to be yet another repot, and this time it's my only Renanthera. This is supposed to be a cross between amayani and monachica, but I've seen other photographs of those crosses, and I know that crosses inevitably vary quite a lot. But this is either almost all monachica, or it actually somehow or other self-fertilised, because this one is almost identical to the species. It's been in this pot, I've just checked, for about 22 months. It's growing. I can see, if you look here, you can see, look there, you can see it's slightly paler, and that's typical of vandas when they're growing. And this next leaf is also definitely extended, and we've got a flower spike which is quite sticky, so it's getting moisture from somewhere, but it's been in here too long, and the roots I've got don't look very good. So let's have a look. So we have what amounts to one good root, I think. Looking at that. It really is atrocious. That one's had it. That one's had it. Definitely had it. So what we have are these roots here, and there's what might be, if I get it in the little thing just there might be something of a root tip. So all I can really do is try repotting it. I might try and pot that down. That looks rather big for the size of plant. Just lay it down like that. Attempt to get there. I know when I repotted it before, it showed signs of branching. But it obviously hasn't done much branching since I potted it last time, and that was something like 22 months ago. So it's grown on the top, it hasn't grown underneath. So I really need to do something about that. But it has flowered every year, and it seems to be dehydrated, so I don't know. This pot's completely shot, so that pot's been too big. So I don't need to do any more with that. All I need to do now is find another pot that's big enough and find some bark. Back in a minute. Okay, back again. Going to use the same pot it was in before. I would have preferred to come down a little bit, but I haven't got one. And I want to keep it in a clear pot if I can. And it's not done too bad. We've got a nice long root, which I'm hoping will coil itself into the bottom. What I have done, as you'll see, is I've done what I often do now, is I've absolutely peppered this thing full of holes. We've got an air cone in the bottom, so that's okay. So with a bit of luck, this will keep it drying out a little bit quicker, and hopefully it will end up with a much happier plant than we've had before. Let me use my use your bark. I think I might use some of the coarser stuff in the bottom. crock in effect of some coarser material, and then carefully, obviously, get that down in there and hope I can do something with it, because I need some roots. I need some more roots on it, or it will lose itself. But it's gone down a bit deeper, and what I'm going to do is bury these roots, because they're old roots, they are. It grew those before I potted it before. It's not producing any new roots whatever since it went into here. But I hope that if I can get them in there, seeing a bit of water, at least help it hydrate that little bit better. And whether that means it's going to branch or not, I don't know. But that's more stable straight away right off the bat. That's obviously rotted, so I'll get rid of that one. It's a pity it's sort of not doing a little bit better, but I mean it's grown well for me. I can't say it's struggled at all. We've had flowers off it every year, so who knows what will happen as a result of this repot. But there we are, a nice quick one. Renanthera, nominally amayani, crossed with monachica. But let's hope I can, repotting it will give it the kind of lift that a lot of other plants have seen before. And if I lose that root spike, flower spike, I'll lose that flower spike, but I don't think so, not now. So, that's it, nice and quick, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks for watching, bye.